Alright class, today we're going to be learning about the divided kingdoms of Israel. Let's see, losing markers every day. Alright, so here it is. We got Judah up top, we got Israel on the bottom. Can anybody tell me when Judah was taken over by the Babylonians? Chandler, yeah.
I think it was 586.
No, Chandler, 722.
722.
Alright, it's alright. No, we're just learning. What to do.
Mr. Hammond, what are you doing there on your toes?
Doing what? What am I doing?
That thing right there. Right there.
Yeah. Guys, I don't think you really know who I really am.
Bless you.
First name Taylor, last name Hammond. And if you got a baseball, I'll grand slam it. Standing on my toes, giving worksheets like a pro. Rhymes flowing faster than the Jordan River flows. And everybody knows that I'm the coolest teacher around. All the teachers bowing down when I step in the teacher's lounge.
Dude, where you been? I'm putting on my wait list.
Quiet, Isaiah, you should be honored by my lateness. I'm a parable, cause my clarity's terrible. My shoes have a name, and they're Africa shareable. I'm the man with the glasses, yeah, I preach to the masses. Up in Harrison's head, I'm sparking flames like matches. Look at me looking like a J. Crew model. Need y'all to ante up in my charity water bottle. Yo, my name's Goliath, and life is just my Six Flags. Better get in line, do the Hammond on my hashtag. Do the Hammond.
Get up on your toes.
Do the Hammond.
As high as you can go.
Do the Hammond. Best teacher in the school, please. Best teacher on the planet.
Hammond going in and I'm a little bit shy, but let me tell you all why Jesus is a heck of a guy. Cures diseases, looks at the dead and says you will rise. His Father God is bigger than the sea. Call him supersize. My daughters, Tessa and Tenley, will both say I'm the greatest Bible teacher at the end of the day. I prefer the kids in class like the Jack Barkers, but I can't get anything done without my markers.
Hey there, kids, we'll get back to that later.
But you know we never will, because Satan's a hater. Whip some light for homeroom again, I gotta go. And if you still don't know what the song's about, man, you should know. Do the Hammond.
Do the Hammond.
He's a follower of Jesus.
Do the Hammond.
He only lives to please us.
Do the Hammond. Haters wanna copy our track, we already ran it.
When I'm playing Skyrim, it's like poetry. Once I became the Archmage, I revealed the inner nerd in me. Roasting every guard I see with my master sorcery. Call me Professor Snape with my level 100 alchemy. Dragging dragons down to the depths with my Dovahkiin. It only took me one try to defeat Alduin. Gaming all night, so I'm late to homeroom. Killing all my contracts using my Zoom. I'll blow your mind away like a Fus Ro Dah. Slaying dragons harder than a Kamehameha. Got a wood elf bard, level 53. I would have had him higher, but I took an arrow to the knee. The dragon priests are whom I need to be, so I give all my pupils a copious amount of worksheets. Wait, no, cheese for everyone because I'm feeling well. In the back, playing Skyrim till the end of the bell.
Do the Hammond.
Playing Skyrim, here we go.
Do the Hammond.
Levels high as we can go.
Do the Hammond. Flying high on these dragons, do a flip and I'll land
오늘
it.
아프드며 밀린 것처럼 난 바쁘드며 친구분들과 그냥 오붓게 차 한잔하게 잠깐이면 또 만전하게 난 남자답게 보이고 했어 모른 척해서 어디서 똑같은 얘기 내 입만 열면 거짓말을 뱉어 너는 난 널 call like Pinocchio.
Hello, are you ready for the Hammond hipsterpotamus? Better bring a life jacket, you're drowning in my awesomeness. Jealous of my flawlessness, preposterously cool. We all know I'm the whole reason that you even come to school. Announce my name to the sound of a trumpet. So many T's, someone bring me a crumpet. I teach so tremendously, never timidly. Tying my tie on Tie Tuesday so trendily. I'm always friendly, even to my enemies. Follow the golden rule so conscientiously. I have a tendency to tip up on my toes, teeter-totter back and forth, to and fro. So everybody on your feet strike a pose, and we'll all do the Hammond. Are you ready? Here we go. Do the Hammond.
Do the Hammond.
Everybody on your toes.
Do the Hammond.
Up as high as you can go.
Do the Hammond. Hands in your pocket, we'll take off like a
Thanks.
Out of bread.
Campbell's chicken noodle soup.
I can't.
I wish for casual Fridays.
Wish granted.
El Maestro del Biblio.
That's Spanish, best teacher in the world, please. Best teacher on the planet.